Karuvannur Karanayil Devasthanam, located in the village of Karuvannur Cheriyapalam on Irinyalakuda Road, Thrissur, the cultural capital of Kerala. We present to you the 400 years oldest traditional history and the ritual of the Karuvannur Karanayil Devasthanam, a powerful Mandrigam temple inhabited by the incarnation of Lord Sri Vishnumaya Kuttichathan Swami and the oldest slave of the Kali Yuga Sri Vishnumaya. What would the majority of people imagine when they hear about Kuttichathan devotion? Is it a frightening sight of magical deeds performed by even mysterious mantras? Many people have doubt as to whether the Kuttichathan worship is taking place in the normal way. Does it have any accurate history? Is it fabricated, or is it a form of worship that exists only within the villages and is participated only by a particular group of people? So many questions are there. But beyond what we have heard and known, we point to the realities of experience and tell the true story of our Sri Vishnumaya story. Kuttichathan worship and powerful magical rites that have been going on for over 4 centuries. The realities of life can sometimes lead people to myths and superstitions. But beyond that, faith in God is true. It is culturally grounded and sum total of the serene reality of a long history of times incomprehensible to us. Truth never needs myths, half-truths and imagination. It exists on its own without the help of anyone or anything. The Spirit of God, the power of the universe, is the greatest life philosophy of faith. The belief that guides the human soul beyond all boundaries of ordinariness. Thus, the Kuttichathan temple, dedicated to Lord Sri Vishnumaya, is located in the village of Karuvannur, Cheriyapalam, on the way of Irinyalakuda, 14 km from Thrissur district. 4 centuries back, when Guru Muthappan, the devout Shiva and the sage of Karanayil Tharavadu, was meditating on the nearby river at dawn, and Lord Shiva appeared, summoned Sri Vishnumaya, embodied him in a divine rock, and enchanted Guru Muthappan with the mysteries of Vishnu and Kuttichathans. You and your descendants should worship Sri Vishnumaya and the Kuttichathans with this mandrik mantras and special offerings which are highly secretive, he told Guru Muthappan. In addition, the worship of the Kuttichathans here began when Bhagavan commanded that the devotees of Vishnumaya are to be fulfilled of any reasonable need by offering true faith in the form of special pujas and rites. Kaligavaradhan's Sri Vishnumaya's fierce power was inhabited in the shrine attached to this family, and the worship began according to rituals and tantric rites. The 390 Kuttichathans are housed in 9 Krishna Shilas outside the sanctorum. It was common in the past to influence the power of Kuttichathans through witchcraft and endanger enemies. Devotees are well aware of the fact that if any devotee prays to Lord Sri Vishnumaya Kuttichathan Swami and completes the required deeds, Lord Sri Vishnumaya Swami will be able to make any of their wants true. The Kuttichathans who act according to the command of Lord Vishnumaya are someone in 9 Krishna Shilas on Kushikalpa outside the temple. For hundreds of years, Karuvannur temple has been standing for the salvation of the devotees who are tested by sorrows and misery. The Lord Sri Vishnumaya restored the lives of the devotees by resolving tragedies experienced in their lives as a result of the bad doing of the enemies. When they come here to pray, at the time of the Lord Sri Vishnumaya Kuttichathan Swami Niyogam, Swami informs them of the root of the problem, even the detail who caused them a particular problem. From movie stars to politicians, they are people who achieved prosperity and wellness in their lives by coming here and praying on the behalf of the Kuttichathans. Thus, Karuvannur Karanayil Devasthanam temple of Lord Sri Vishnumaya at Karuvannur Cheriyapalam also led a moral revolutionary restoration of good faith. The rumors surrounding the Kuttichathans and all the lies were put to an end by the Karuvannur Karaniyil Devasthanam temple, enabling its glory and fame to spread beyond the boundaries of India. Devotees from all over the world come here to experience Swami's magical deeds and arrange special pujas and rites for Kuttichathan as part of solving their problems. Also, in addition, the yantra and energy provided from here will enable the family get rid of all the evils of misery by praying. For any problem faced by the devotees like business interruptions, marital and family problems, hostile witchcraft, family destruction, astrological problems, love, quarrels, Vishnumaya and the Kuttichathan will surely show them the way and bless them with peace. With prayer, anyone can depend on Kuttichathans for anything. It is only the story of lack of devotees who change the hardship of life and work by pleasing Kuttichathan that have made the Kuttichathan temple the shrine of Lord Vishnu, famous in India and abroad. It is said that there are about 390 Kuttichathans in total, and all of them obey the command of Lord Vishnumaya. If Sri Vishnumaya, who is invoked in the shrine, is pleased with the secret pujas prescribed by sincere prayers, the Kuttichathans will fulfill any need of the devotees. The legend of Lord Vishnumaya begins with Lord Shiva, who was going hunting in the forest, fell in love with Kulivaga, the most beautiful wild woman he saw there, and told her that he wanted to mate with her and that she would wait until he comes back after the hunt. A heartbroken Kulivaga, a devotee of goddess of Parvati Devi, realized that she did not have the power to absorb the spirit of Lord Shiva and prayed the goddess Parvati. Parvati appeared to help her devotee, took the form of Kulivaga to mate with Bhagavan, and the life source was deposited in a wild tuber, then cut it in half and fed Kulivaga. Goddess Parvati said that from this tuber, which contains the great magical spirit, you will conceive and give birth to a son who will become famous for his extraordinary powers. The rest of the tuber was cut into 390 pieces and deposited in a nearby river. And from these 390 pieces, the Kuttichathans were born and started acting as the followers of Lord Vishnumaya. Swami Vishnumaya, who at a young age exhibited supernatural magical powers, killed many asuras as he grew up. Once Sri Vishnumaya realized the secret of his birth, he went to Kailasa to see his parents Shiva Parvati. But the Nandideva did not let Sri Vishnumaya into the Kailasa. But Lord Vishnumaya, using his magical power, took the form of Lord Vishnu and went inside see his parents. The myth has it that impressed Lord Shiva gave a buffalo to Vishnumaya as a vehicle and sent him to earth to Karuvannur Karaniyil Devasthanam. The vehicle of Lord Vishnu is the buffalo, the most sacred of buffaloes. We can see it at the top of the Deepastambam in the courtyard of the shrine. In 9 Krishna Shilas that inhabited the Kuttichathans are also the abode of Kuttichathans. The 9 Krishna Shilas that inhabited the Kuttichathans are also the abode of Kuttichathans, and Kulivaga, the mother of Sri Vishnumaya, is worshipped here as Machil Bhagavati. Once a year on the birthday of Sri Vishnumaya, the Tiruvallattu Mahotsavam is the only occasion devotees can have darshan of Bhagavati. Sri Vimod Swami is presiding Devasthana Adhipati of the present Kuttichathan temple of Lord Vishnumaya at Karuvannur Karaniyil Devasthanam. He takes care of welcoming any request and inquiries of the devotees and looking after the affair of the shrine, rituals and offerings. Every day afternoon, the Niyoga Darshana is arranged. If the devotees come to see Sri Vishnumaya and pray from their heart, there is absolutely nothing that Lord can't solve. The Kuttichathan temple, dedicated to Sri Vishnumaya, is a divine experience and grand infusion of Dravidian culture and Hindu heritage. There are many Kuttichathan temples in Kerala at present. However, devotees from many parts of the world flock to Karuvannur Karaniyil Devasthanam to perform many rituals which even after going to other temples and performing proper pujas are unable to fulfill their needs. Although those who try to test his powers without proper faith will also be punished by Sri Vishnumaya accordingly is the experience of many. Sri Vishnumaya is not to be feared or suspected. It is a very devotional, calm center of faith, providing shelter and protection from the evils of enemy to many pious people who pray with unwavering devotion. This is evidenced by the influx of devotees from Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Malaysia, Singapore, and even from the other foreign countries to seek solutions to various ailment and family problems. With years of long purity of the faith and the firmness of tradition, Karuvannur Karanayil Devasthanam Kuttichathan Temple, the temple of Sri Vishnumaya, continues to uphold the value of the faith for centuries and fulfilling any aspiration of the people. Since there are various Kuttichathan temples in Thrissur, Kerala, devotees have to make it sure that they came to the right place, Karuvannur Karaniyil Devasthanam, Sri Vishnumaya Kuttichathan Temple. May the blessings of Sri Vishnumaya and Kuttichathan always be with everyone to fulfill their needs.
See, I came to know about this temple. It's a very powerful temple. I think Lord Vishnu Maya, whatever you wish, I think it is all the vows are fulfilled. And I think this is a very old and traditional temple, and they do it in a very, in a lot of ritual is there. I think which is not there in any other temple. It's totally different. The process is different. And here I think they invoke the god, and a lot of belief is there that you will have success, prosperity, and all your wishes come fulfilled. You go to many temples, but this is a totally different temple. Yeah, this is my first visit to Vishnu Maya, but I heard a lot about this, and it's been very fascinating. Totally different atmosphere, totally different, altogether different. And I mean, this is a very unique way, and I think the entire process is totally different. The entire prayers, it takes such a long time. They really do invoking God, and I think the power center is there, and I think certainly it's a unique temple, and I think it will keep on continuing and it will keep on spreading to all parts of the country. I think it's a very. I was asking the head priest, almost 505 generations.
Yeah.
So it's that means a lot of power is there, and I think we saw the rituals. It's totally different. It's totally different. It's very unique experience.
Yeah.
Very unique experience.
Okay, thank you.